ever happened to you? You want to use a doorknob, but it's completely covered in germs? So what are you gonna do? Pay someone to clean it? Use this? No way. My name is Miles Turnage, and I'm introducing the G.O.D.D.A.R.D. This amazing device will disinfect doors completely autonomously. Don't take my word for it. Listen to our medical professor.
I say the G.O.D.D.A.R.D works.
Using advanced sensing technology, the G.O.D.D.A.R.D activates once you open, then close the door. When activated, the G.O.D.D.A.R.D sprays a fine mist of pure disinfectant over the germ-infested doorknob.